Hey everyone, let's start solving question number 1, Digital Electronics asked in GATE Examination 2025. A 3-input majority logic gate has inputs X, Y and Z. The output of the gate is logic 1. If 2 or more of the inputs are logic 1, the output F is logic 0 if 2 or more of the inputs are logic 0. The 3-input majority logic gate states that majority of the inputs decides the output logic. So we have to find the output F based on these statements. There is one way to solve this by directly looking the expression and putting the X, Y and Z value based on the given statements. But we will go with the conventional method by writing the solution. The conventional is to do this. First, writing the truth table, and then we will go for the K-map. X, Y and Z are the inputs and F is the output. Let's write the input 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. The first statement says that the output F of the gate is logic 1 if 2 or more of the inputs are logic 1. So filling these inputs as 1 here, 1 here, 1 here and 1 here. The second statement says the output F is logic 0 if 2 or more of the inputs are logic 0. So 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now writing the corresponding minterms M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. Now let's redraw the K-map for 3 variable X, Y and Z. X, Y, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 5 bar, Z bar, Y bar, Z, Y, Z, Y, Z bar, 0, 1, X bar, X, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will go for using SOP form. You can also go with POS form, just writing the max terms, nothing will change. So I am going with SOP form, minterm 3, minterm 5, minterm 6 and minterm 7. So we can see that there are 3 pairs. One is this, second is this and third one is this. Now writing the expression of output, we can write first pair X, Y, X, Z. Let's say X, Z is first. This is the first one. Now take the second one, Y, Z, and the third one, Y, X. So you can see the option A is correct.